So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can zoom in and zoom out in Capcut. So if you for example have this video and we would like to use zoom in effects on the girls, what we need to do is just go click on the video you would like to use the zoom in effect on, go to video, basic, and what you need to do is just to apply a keyframe to the beginning of the zoom effect. So where you want the zoom to begin, you're gonna go there with the cursor and just use a keyframe, which are these little diamonds here. So we're gonna use a keyframe here, add a keyframe. So this is gonna be the beginning of the zoom. And for example, to here, I want it to be zoomed on the girls' faces slowly. You can adjust the time by changing the duration. So for example, if I put the second keyframe here, it's going to be a shorter period. If I put it here, it's going to be a slower zoom for a longer period. So I'm going to now put the second keyframe here, just add the keyframe, and you can just choose the size and the position of the second clip where the zoom in is going to happen. So you can either change it by grabbing or dragging the corners of the video, or you can also change it with the scale, and we can also change the position. So we're gonna do it like that. And now as you can see, there's gonna be a slow zoom in effect. If you would like an effect where it's not zoomed in for a while and then it's suddenly zoomed in, what you need to do is just have a keyframe which is the same as the first keyframe. So we're gonna delete this keyframe right now. So we're gonna have a keyframe here which is the same as this. So we're gonna just copy this keyframe and just paste it right here so that it's gonna be the same up until this point. And here we want a sudden effect of zooming in, so we're just gonna change the size of the timeline by Control and the scrolling wheel on the mouse. So we zoom in, and now we want a sudden zoom in effect from here to here. So now we're gonna add another keyframe here and just gonna change the size and the position to desired effect. And now it's gonna look like that. It's a sudden zoom in, which is usually used in short format content. And it's the same with the zoom out. If you want it to gradually zoom out, you're gonna use a keyframe here and just use the position you would like it to zoom out to. So it's gonna look like that now. But if you would like it to not instantly start to zoom out, but you would like to have the same effect, you're gonna copy this keyframe here and just paste it. Either you can have a slower zoom out effect where you put the second keyframe far, or you can have a fast zoom out effect where you put the second keyframe here and we're just gonna zoom out to here. It's gonna look like that now. Or if we would like the zoom out to be slower, we're gonna put it far. You can change the speed by putting them farther or sooner. Alright, so all in all, this is how to zoom in and zoom out in Capcut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium Capcut features, you can try out Capcut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our Capcut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.